followed by an amazing commercial number. Now, at Birds, they're offering a 3-year musical theatre course, as well as a BA Honours and a degree. And if you'd like more information, you can visit them at their stand. They're lovely, and you can go on Twitter at Bird College UK. Please, a massive round of applause for Birds.